Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of the year, so I want to start by saying Happy New Year to all. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for mini hot chocolate bombs, and these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I have some melting chocolate, chocolate milk powder, and mini marshmallows. I'm also using a cake pop silicone mold which has a 1.5 diameter cavity and a baking tray lined with parchment paper. I'm going to start by melting the chocolate. This chocolate took about 1 minute in the microwave, and now I'm going to spoon each opening with about 1 teaspoon of chocolate, and then gently I'm going to bring the chocolate all the way to the top to have a full semi-sphere. Gently tap the pan on the counter just to get rid of bubbles, and then you can turn the pan upside down to make sure the chocolate comes all the way around the cavity. Now I'm going to add 5 mini marshmallows to half of these chocolate molds. I found that this way it was easier to put together the two halves after I added the powder. So I put 6 in this one, but actually it was too many, so 5 is the magic number. And now I'm gonna finish doing the rest of them. I had to work in batches to make sure the chocolate didn't dry up on me too quickly. Refrigerate for 5 to 8 minutes until the chocolate has set. Now that they're ready, I'm going to gently take them out of the mold by pressing each one lightly until they pop out. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the milk chocolate powder to the empty side of the chocolate bowl, and then I'm going to take the one with marshmallows and put it on top, and now I'm going to seal that with more melted chocolate. If you want, you could run your finger along the seam and smooth out the chocolate. I instead decided to roll it in the milk chocolate powder to hide the seam, and you could also dip it in crushed peppermints if you like that combination. To prepare these, I like to heat up some milk on the stove. I like to bring it to a light bubble right before it boils. Then I place my chocolate bombs in each cup, and then I pour the hot milk over and watch the chocolate melt, the marshmallows float, and the chocolate powder dissolve. I let this sit for about 2 minutes undisturbed, let the chocolate fully melt, and then I stir it up to make sure everything is well combined, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. So I wanted to share my son's reaction when we made these this morning. Ready? Okay, go. Okay.
That's a lot of boiling hot milk. Whoa. The marshmallows just like come to the top. Whoa, that's so epic. Oh my god, it changed colors to brown. This is so cool.
So we let it rest. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!